iri tariki inyanya cia mweri jwa 10 mwaka jwa 2024 igamba riegi kweberwa gitine kwa gavana wa kaunti ya Meru na njira ya impeachment nirethirite rigitana mbere na kuthikirwa kiri koti nene ya Milimani Law Courts ni aria ntere chio ijire rutere rwa Kawira Mwangaza na rutere rwa mbunge ya Senate rumbeze kuthirwa rugikinya kuthikirwa ya mugambithania Bahati Mwamuye. Tere chio ijire ni chumbete kuthirwa ikinyithia mendekithia na maoni jao onkurani aria akiareria rutere rwa Kawira Mwangaza. Wakiri Raisha nombete kuthirwa agitareria bwa mbere kabisa egamba hariegi kweberia gitene Kawira Mwangaza ritabatarete kinya kwithirwa hariki thikiro kana gukinywa ndene ya mbunge ya Senate kwa nati koti aja kaunti ya Meru ni ombete kwithirwa ikirungika mutaratara jo kweberwa gitene kwa Kawira Mwangaza no ende County Assembly ya Meru amwe na mbunge kinya ya Senate betithia na mbere kuthigatira na kuthikira nteto eje yegie impeachment untuburia kwari mugaru na watho wa koti.
If you look at the supplementary affidavit of the governor, both at paragraph 8 of that affidavit and annexure BKM2 to that supplementary affidavit.
Yes.
The moment the county assembly approved the impeachment motion, learned counsel for the governor, Mr. Mutuma, wrote to the Speaker of the Senate, drawing the Speaker's attention to this court order.
Yes.
The letter you'll see on the face of it is stamped by the Speaker, who is the respondent, and stamped by the clerk, who is the deponent of the affidavit of the respondent. My lord, how can my learned colleague make an argument that the Speaker was not a party to that suit? Doesn't the Speaker of the National Assembly have an obligation under Article... My apologies, the Speaker of the Senate, yes, have an obligation under Articles 10 of the Constitution to uphold the national value of the rule of law by virtue of his office? How can a speaker who knows of a court order, as was done in this case, and continues to allow debate in violation of that court order, come and claim I was not a party to those proceedings? I mean, that is bad governance in a class of its own. It is good governance topsy-turvy. It should not have been done in the Senate. It was done. It should not have been done in this court by officers of this court. They must join us in frowning upon this conduct of these two officers, because our own oath of office as advocates gives us obligations beyond our clients, which is an obligation to uphold the rule of law.
Kiaria wakiri Mutuma nombete kwithirwa agitareria ati bunge ya Senate itombere kwithirwa igitithia na mbere mutaratara ajwegie kuthikira akweberwa gitene kwa Kawira Mwangaza na njira iria yagirite kuona ati ni kwari na mantu jamaingi chetaga na mbere ndene ya mbunge eje gutari na onda ni kwari na nkuchanio na ituma na mantu jange jamaingi na bobo botinge tuma Kawira Mwangaza omba kwethirwa akithikirwa na oma na kioto.
We have taken time to produce verbatim extracts of what transpired at the Senate. Specifically, paragraph 58 attaches the Hansards that confirms indeed the Senate became ungovernable, with the Speaker of the Senate doing nothing to bring the House to order. The point I'm making, if you sit down, is that the proceedings cannot have been said to have been regular. The proceedings could not have afforded the petitioner the right to fair hearing as envisaged under Article 50 of the Constitution.
Yes.
In light of the violence, chaos, and disorder.
Yes.
we fault the Speaker for failing to bring the House to order, to generate a conducive environment for a fair hearing to take place.
Akirekeria nteto iji Justice Mwamuye nombete kwithirwa akiuga ati egamba riri rikomba kwithirwa rikithikirwa akeri ntuku ya Jumaine ya tariki 15 cia mweri juju indi batithira bagikinyia akirekoti rikomba kwithirwa rikithikirwa na njira ya mutandao.
As there's a public holiday, I know it is likely that persons will have traveled. Can we say Tuesday next week? Any objection? It will be virtually. (15th October), any objection? Now my fingers have been burnt when I've done that, where when I retire I find there's been no compliance, and then I have to issue a date calling for my my previous date. 15th is not too far away, so make sure everyone has filed everything. I also encourage you, because I've not gone through every page of every volume. Mr. Guyo, help me with volume 6. So this is volume 6 of annexures. It runs to page 3742. I encourage all parties to ensure that what you've uploaded into CTS is legible. I can clearly read it. So just go in and confirm. And also you can help me, you can assist me greatly by giving me hard copies. So we'll be coming on Tuesday to confirm that, so that I have hard copies that I then use for a ruling. Now, Mr. Kirimi, I hear you. Let me assure you that between myself and my able Mr. Guyo, we already have a date, and that is the date we will be informing you on Tuesday next week. So, Council, thank you very much for your patience and your very, very good submissions. Let's meet on Tuesday.